vaccine gives 100% protection. It's not only for COVID, it's for the non-COVID infections as well. Now, the degree of protection you gain from the vaccine varies from person to person. Some, and also depends on the vaccine which you have taken. Like, for example, in India, at the moment, we have only two vaccines available, that is the Covishield and Covaxin. Now, Covishield gives you protection anywhere from 56% to 70%. Covaxin can give you protection up to 80%. And it also varies from person to person. Some of them develop good antibodies, some of them do not. Okay. And that is for other vaccines as well. And no vaccine in this world for any other illness also gives you 100% protection, as I've said. So you have to follow COVID appropriate behavior to gain better protection. Like Sputnik now, which is already available in Andhra, Hyderabad, and all other areas, in Maharashtra also it will soon be available. That gives the protection of 90%. So chances of 10% infection still happening. So efficacy means the degree of protection offered. Every day we are seeing new phase of COVID. Second wave is still more dangerous, and we are seeing many deaths happening. But the CDC and even in America, they say those who had been vaccinated, have received 2 doses of vaccine, can move without the mask. But it's too early to say actually, because we have seen people getting infected in spite of taking 2 doses of vaccine. And some of them have been seriously infected, and some have died after taking second dose of vaccine also because of COVID. So we really don't know. It's a new illness which we are facing for last 1.5 years only, and every day it's coming up in new form. After taking 2 shots of vaccine also, you may still get COVID infection. No vaccine gives you 100% protection. So after taking vaccine also, you have to still follow the COVID appropriate behavior. You have to wear the mask properly, maintain social distance, avoid overcrowding, and wash your hands with soap and water. If you use your mask properly and you maintain your social distance after taking the vaccine, you can move out. If you get natural infection because of COVID, what has been seen up till now is the antibodies usually last for up to 3 months. In some, it may last a little longer, but maximum of 6 months. That is what have been seen up till now. So after a period of 3 months, there are chances of you getting infected again with COVID. But then if you have taken the vaccine, they say the immunity or the antibodies formed in the body last for up to 9 months. That is why there is a need to take a booster dose of the vaccine, and that you may have to take every year. So that's why, in spite of taking the vaccine, there are still chances of you getting the infection. So up till now, what has been seen is the antibodies can last for up to 9 months, and that then there is a need to take a booster dose, and that is why you can again get reinfected.